So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find condos for sale here on Redfin. So a couple different ways you can do this. You can go to the buy tab right here, type in your location, and then press on search, and then refine your search for specifically condos. Or if you kind of want to fast forward that, go to the top, hover over buy, go to where it says condos for sale, and then press on that. Now, I have New York as my location by default, so what this basically does is it finds the condos right here that is highlighted, and you can go ahead and press on done. You can do this for a variety of different stuff as well. So if you want to do Chicago, for example, you can do the exact same thing this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find condos for sale here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.